Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install Punchy mod for Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you just need to write Modrent. Go to Modrent, discover content mods. Then here on search mod you need to write Punchy. Select Punchy. Then select versions, select platform, fabric, game versions 26.1. Right? And then you just need to press download. Then go back to a Modrent, then look for Fabric API, click on it, versions, game versions 26.1, and then download Fabric API. Then go to fabricmc.net, press download, and download for Windows. And once you have these three files, completely close Minecraft Launcher, then go to Fabric Installer, wait for a couple of seconds, select 26.1, done, then go to Minecraft Launcher, wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations here, look for Fabric Loader 26.1, press on the folder, go to mods, then you need to drag and drop these two files here. Once you do so, load up Fabric Loader 26.1, press play. So guys, I'm in the game, and now if I press Y, as you can see here, there is animations here. And if you want to change some animations, then you just need to press F8, open up this window here, and then you can do a bunch of different things here as well. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.